An AI assistant answers questions, whereas an AI agent plans, executes, explains, and verifies the results.
Suppose I am on an older model of ChatGPT, like ChatGPT 4.0. Let me ask it, how do I open a savings bank account for a customer? And it gives you customer information collection, KYC and AML compliance, documentation, in-person verification, approval workflow, account creation, customer communication, audit trail, and logging. So it explains the process.
The assistant gave us knowledge, but there was no action. Nothing actually happened.
Now come to 2026. We are on the latest model ChatGPT 5.2 Instant. Here, let me ask, you are an AI agent acting on behalf of a bank operations team. The goal, open a savings bank account for the customer John Doe. Constraints, follow KYC and AML regulations. AML means anti-money laundering and KYC, know your customer. Require human approval before final account creation, which is very important. Log every step with reasons. Start by creating a plan. Let us run this.
Agents think in steps. From user goal, they plan, then execute using external tools, verify, and also explain what happened and why it happened.
So it first builds the execution plan. Open a savings bank account subject to regulatory compliance and human approval. Phase 1 initiation and intake. Phase 2 KYC compliance. AML and risk assessment, that is anti money laundering. Internal review and approval, human approval gate. Route the application to authorized bank officer for review. Officer may approve, reject, or request additional information. Region logged, mandatory human oversight before account creation. And phase 5, account creation. This is post approval only. Customer notification, audit, and logging. Savings bank account opened only after successful KYC/AML checks and explicit human approval with full audit trail maintained.
Autonomy does not mean there is no control. AI agent can get human approval before they take any action.
I copied this plan to Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4.5 and asked it to create dummy agents for this. So it says creating dummy agents for bank account opening simulation. It created entire application in React. Start account create simulation to watch the entire workflow execute. Let us open sidebar, bank account simulator. Okay, if you see the bank account creation agent simulator, you will see the workflow progress, customer intake, identity verification, Aadhaar verification, AML or PEP screening, risk assessment, approval and signature, account creation, and finally audit and notification. Let us start this. You will see that customer intake was done, identity verification done, Aadhaar verification done, screening done, risk assessment done, approval done, account creation done, and finally audit and notification. You will see the activity logs, Salesforce initiating customer onboarding workflow, case created. So you will see the complete logging here. Our agent simulation has worked wonderfully using Anthropic Claude.
So 2026 belongs to builders. Prompting is a dead end, whereas agent systems are the way to go.
Hi, I am Ganapati Devappa, a premier instructor on Udemy with more than 10,000 students and a 4.5 instructor rating. My latest course, Generative AI for Managers and Leaders on Udemy, highlights the importance of early AI adoption through practical use cases. ROI, return on investment based strategies, and risk management frameworks. You can enroll using the exclusive coupon link in the video description below.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.